Alright, so this is the version for desktop. I thought I would do mobile later. So, as you can see, there's Welcome to Adams County, Iowa, and a picture with a brief description and the footer. But when you click Learn More, you'll go to our history with photos of significant people, significant buildings, of beautiful scenery, because that's what I usually see when I look up Adams County, Iowa. I thought it'd be fun to add journals of the people who live there, just in case if someone wanted to move, they could just see how good of an area it really is. With driving, I thought, well, if you're driving, you might as well have a car, so I added some cars that would be sold. There's the photo of the building that you'll go to take the driver's test, the address, different information on that. Have a little background on building permits and the document specifically for Adams County. And then voting. I thought here you could add why we vote, what's the importance of that, because sometimes people think, well, what's the point? It's too much energy, it's too much time. So just thought I would add that. You can also see more information here, voter registrations, and yeah.